Hey guys, today I'm gonna do a little short job. I didn't really want to tackle anything excessive because I'm on call at work, so I want to be able to drop everything and run into work. But I have a little Meguiar's headlight restoration kit to test out today, so I'm gonna do that. See how this thing works. Pro results, it says. First things first, let me just show you. Half the box is empty. Guess they're adding some value to that or something. Trying to get you to feel more value. So it comes with a little scrubby Velcro thing. I don't know if that's part of the deal. Let's see what else we got in here. It's got some clear plastic cleaner polish. Removes cloudiness, yellowing, oxidation, and fine scratches. What else do we have here? Oh, we got the buffer. Goes on the drill. Oh, what else? Looks like a 3000 grit pad. That'll probably go on that hand sander. And looks like a little UV protection coating. That's probably what this foam is for. Probably coat it with the UV protection. It's probably like a clear coat kind of a deal. So, work on the headlights. Make them clean. Probably gonna put some LEDs behind them, inside them, eventually. But we get this done. See how it works. I'll give you my personal review on it. So, frustrations always happen when doing simple jobs, of course. As you can see, this is supposed to have two pads, sanding pads. This one has, I opened this up and it only has one of the sanding pads. It has a 3000 grit and not the 1000 grit, which I'm supposed to have as well. So I'm gonna bring this back and get the correct filled box. All right, got the stuff now. 1000 grit, 3000 grit, that's the kit. And then this buffer pad. That's basically the 3 steps that it looks like it wants you to do. I'm sure there's a million of these how-tos and what you call it on the internets, but if you're watching my channel, you might as well learn a little something as well. As I learned something. It's the first time I've done this like legit. I guess legit. You could probably buy this sandpaper and the plastic polish or whatnot. You can probably use regular polish. Plastic polish probably has a slightly different stuff. You can get some 3M so you can do it over again. Anyways, so I'm gonna knock these out. And we'll do some time lapse each step. See how it goes. So that's step 1. Sand it, get it nice and kind of like nice even haze. Make sure you got all the little nicks off of it and stuff. Make sure it's nice and even. You can kind of see all the little imperfections, especially now that it's kind of nice and hazy. Next step is going to be 3000 grit. So let's get after that. Next up, drill with the microfiber Slim Slam. We've got to put a dime size drip of this plastic X. Just follow the directions, we'll see how it comes out. We'll see how this kit does for, I think it was like 25 bucks for the kit. Bad. Get some new headlights. And yeah, so it says put a dime size and then go to town, apparently. So the final step, I buffed it out. And I sprayed a little glass cleaner on it, wiped it off to make sure there's no residual in there. The final step is to use this. It's like a UV protectant coating so that it doesn't haze up right away. Kind of seals the pores, if you will. So that's the next step, and it's pretty easy from what I've done before. I've done this before with like another kit or whatever, but it's same idea. You just all right, finished up. There you have it. What was once